Shake your hips like you were before. Daddy. Ruining the video. You're not shaking your hips. Oh, Luke. He always thinks he needs to watch it now. Go dance. He is a dancing fool lately. Every time he comes in the living room. Dance, dance. Now you're just doing some weird stomp move.
Need a dance partner?
Oh no. What happens if you dance with that? No. Do your hips again. It was so funny.